Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. Firstly, go into menu and find recorder, then click on it. Now tap on the red button, click allow. And as you can see, my recording is already on. If you wish to pause it, you can click on the same button. Then you can unpause it the same way. But if you wish to end your recording and save it, click on this left square button over here. Give your recording a name, and when you're done, tap save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. But if you wish to delete it, you can always hold it. Tap on the bin icon at the top right corner and choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!